everyone. How are you? This is Blaine Cooper from Henderson County Detention Center near Las Vegas. It's been a while since I released a statement. The last statement I released, I talked about pulling my plea agreement. Well, to the date, I have not pulled my plea. I was told by my attorney, Matthew Lane, that because I already pled guilty, that the judge would not allow it, and it was impossible to get out of my plea, and that I would get a 6-point enhancement on my sentence, and would do 12 years instead of 6. Like others who have pulled their plea, they were only able to do so because they had not pled guilty yet. So at this point, I'm stuck. Today, officers in my dorm unit passed me some paperwork to sign to release my investigator from my case. Interestingly enough, I did not know I had an investigator, and refused to sign the paperwork as my attorney was not present. After reading through the paperwork, and in the investigator's own words, when he video visited me, signed by him, he had not been through one page of discovery, nor had he investigated anything in my case. After refusing to sign, he then contacted me again through video visit and explained to me it was to release me from my case to work on my co-defendant's case. And he confirmed to me he had done nothing in my case, nor had he been through any discovery, not one page. I said to him, am I to understand that my attorney manipulated me into a plea agreement for a crime I did not commit before he had even been through one page of discovery? He then replied to me and said, it seems so. My only reply was, wow. Clearly, I have been misrepresented and have an epic case of ineffective counsel. I feel very taken advantage of, especially under the circumstances and my mental state. It seems to be common practice here in Nevada with attorneys, or rather public pretenders, who have an unwillingness to not only fight for the rights of their clients, but a complete neglect of investigative work. No wonder our prison population is so high. When one is left in the dark to rot, and their legal counsel is simply getting rid of their caseload because of an unwillingness to defend their client, I suppose they don't have to sit here, though, do they? Maybe they can explain to my kids why Daddy has to go to prison for so long for a crime he did not commit because he simply doesn't care. What a shame for him and me. I suppose I'm just screwed, and my freedom and life didn't mean much to him. But I suppose it is what it is. Today I spoke with my attorney about this and explained to him that I would like him to file a motion for ineffective counsel and that I need new representation in my case. I would ask that this message gets shared far and wide so this does not happen to other people. That if you're going to be an attorney, you need to make an effort to defend your client and his innocence and defend his freedom and rights. And that the next person that defends me had better fight for me, because I won't expect anything less. I was put into a plea and taken advantage of, misrepresented under duress. I was told to lie under oath by my attorney when I walked into the courtroom the day I pled guilty. I told him that I could not plead guilty to this crime as it would be lying. He told me I had to and that there was no other way for me to get home to my kids. But clearly, he did not even try to defend me. So at this point, I'm still going to try to pull my plea, and I hope that the judge will understand that I've clearly been misrepresented and that I need to be back on the trial with my brothers. Please share this message and pray for me that the judge will humble herself and allow me to get off and out of this plea and back on the trial with my brothers. This is Blaine Cooper. I'm out.